Okay, class, I just wanted to show you guys again how to make the T account so you guys can do it in class today while I'm gone. Let me get to my Google account here real quick. Sorry. My fault. All right, let me get my sheets open here, and then it'll be a quick tutorial to get you into the to make the accounts. All right, I want to make a blank sheet and give yourself some room here, so that you maybe a couple rows from the top, a couple rows from the left. And remember to merge. To select the cells, you just left click and drag across, just like you would select anything on Microsoft program. Format, merge cells. You could do merge horizontally or merge all, is fine. And then you type the name of the account. So I'm going to type cash first, and I want to make sure it's centered, so I'm going to click here and I'll click my center button. Now I get to my borders. There's the border button, and I'm going to make a bottom border, and then I'll select all the, I'm going to go down about a good 10 lines just in case. Let's see what is, yeah, that's good. It'll be a little more than 10, maybe about a dozen lines. And then I'm going to make myself a right border, and that should look like that. Okay, now at the bottom, I want to sum the totals of these two columns. So equals, there's a couple ways you can do this. Let me show you click the sigma sign, click sum, and then just drag and make sure you only select the rows where you're going to be placing numbers. So make sure you don't select the cell you're putting the formula in itself, otherwise it won't work. Press enter, you should see a 0 there. All right, and then an easy way you can do this to drag it across is just make sure you select this handle here, left click and drag across, and it'll make the formula relative to where it's at. So this one will be sum B, and this one will be sum C in the C column. Okay, so that way anytime you type a number in there, it'll automatically total at the bottom. And if I take it away, it'll go back to 0. So the nice thing about that is if you make a mistake, you can always just change the number. One more thing I want to do is I want to select this whole thing, and I want to format it for accounting, so I'm going to click the $sign here. That way my numbers, after I enter them in, will automatically go to a financial number. Okay. Now the nice thing about this is once you do cash, you can select it all. Make sure you select the whole thing, even the numbers at the bottom, and you can just go edit, copy, or Command C. Well, you guys aren't using a Mac, so don't do Command C. And you can just place it here, and then do edit, paste. And the formula's changed. This is now E, this is now F, and all you need to do is change the name of the account. All right, and then select another one, edit, copy, skip a line over, and then edit, paste. And then just make all your accounts. What I would do is I would make all your asset accounts across the top here, and then start with your liabilities and your equity and your expenses down here. That way you have them more nice and organized, you know where to find them. Okay, any questions? I'll be back on Wednesday in class, so hold on to them, and try to make all the accounts that you're going to need for problem 3-4B. Problem 3-4B in the textbook. I'm not sure what page it's on, but double check. Here, let's see if I could do that real quick for you. Let's see, sorry about that. Chapter 3. Make sure that you're on page it's on the bottom of page 80. Okay, and so here's all the accounts that you'll need to make T accounts for: cash through automobile, liabilities, accounts payable, and then here's all of your equity stuff. Okay, so try to do that in class today, and watch the video again if you need to, and then I'll be back on Wednesday, and hopefully you have it done and we can go ahead and do problem 3-4B. If you want to try to get a head start on it, feel free. All right, take it easy.